Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are making money as usual, right? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about my last payout of the year with FundingPips, which is actually a $10,000 payout. Nah, I'm just joking. So I wish it was a $10,000 payout, but this is a $500 payout, right? So I got my $500 payout, which is the last payout of the year with FundingPips, and I actually love trading with FundingPips right now because I got over $10,000 in payout with them. Okay, and I thought it was 10,000 though, but it's 9,800 something. Let's just assume that I got over $10,000 in payout with FundingPips. So I've been trading with FundingPips, which I was funded, or I'm actually funded a 50k account. So I've been trading one single 50k account with FundingPips, and that 150k I made over $10,000 in payout, right? So which is actually massive. So I'm going to explain exactly how I traded the account and some of the benefit you have when you are trading with FundingPips. But one thing I have to talk about it right now is they even have a discount code right now. So if you use code FP2025, you're gonna get a 20% off on any account you try to buy with FundingPips right now. And the discount code is until the end of the year, so it's just 2 days different. And as I'm making this video is 30th December, so I'm gonna post it on 31st, so that means that you only have 24 hours after watching the video to use the discount code. So as soon as you are watching this video, and if it's not yet 2025, make sure you go and buy an account so you get a 20% discount. So some of the benefit for you to trade with FundingPips is, first, the challenge fee is really affordable. For a perspective, if I come here on new challenge, right, and let's say if I choose something like a 5k, you can see a 5k costs literally $36. If you compare this with FTMO, which their own cost almost $100, so you see the difference. So FundingPips, the challenge fee is really cheap. So if you are looking for a prop firm that has like a really cheap challenge fee, FundingPips is the best you can go for. Okay, here I'm gonna buy an account. Okay, yeah, C trader, and then 100k. I'm not a US resident, and then choose, and what, process, pay, come down here, agree. Yeah, so they're asking for the discount code. So the discount code is gonna be FP2025. Okay, and as I'm saying, the discount ends really soon. So when you click apply here, you can see that I'm paying 100k for $355. What?
Wait a minute.
What? Anyway, you guys see here, this is literally the price of a 50k. I'm not even joking. So paying $355 for a 100k is actually insane. And I can even pay Momo. I didn't know. I'm gonna go for crypto. So basically, yeah, you can see this is exactly what I'm gonna pay for here. As you can see, it's already confirming, so probably soon I'm gonna get my account and I'm gonna trade on New Year. What if I just trade tomorrow and I pass it? 31st, what if I pass it tomorrow, phase 1? That would be crazy. But anyway, as I'm saying, the best thing is about the payout cycle. The payout cycle, they have a weekly payout, which is a 60% profit split. There is no way you are going to choose for a 60% profit split because it's just 60%. Imagine you making $1,000 and you are getting a $600 payout. It's too small. And then they have a bi-weekly payout, which is a 80% profit split, and that one is even better because you are getting 800 out of $1,000 when you make on a live account. And then the last one, which is actually the one I've chosen here, it is the 100% profit split. So when you choose a 100% profit split, they pay you every month. So this my account here, I had 3 payout with it. I had a $2,600 payout, I had a $6,600 payout, and I had a $500 payout. Every payout took me 1 month to get it. So I had 3 payout on a row, so that's 3 months, and then first month took me to pass the challenge. That's how I told you guys at the beginning that my account been there for 4 months. So basically, it took me 3 months to get 3 payouts. So basically, it's up to you if you want to get the 60% split for a weekly payout, or a 80% split for a bi-weekly payout, or a 100% split for a monthly payout. So it's up to you. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. As you can see here, my transaction is already completed, so I can click here, I click return to wherever, and then back to, as you can see, is completed. Actually, I can remove this. If I remove, did they give me my account already? Let me check my, yes, so they have opened my, you can see here. So payment received, and then I got my account details. I'm not gonna show you guys, but I got my account details. Okay, so I'm back here. So if I click on home here, you'll see that there's a new account here. I have this challenge which I lost it. Did you know how I lost it? Because I forgot that I even had an account. So I bought the account, I traded, like I took a trade, a 1% loss, and then I forgot that I even bought the account and I never traded it, and then they disabled the account because I forgot that I had a phase one account. Insane. So basically, they don't deny your payout. So they have what they call by zero payout denial. So that means that any request for a payout, have in your mind that's 100% guaranteed that you're making you're getting your money. So whenever you request for a payout, have a peace of mind that you're gonna receive your money. If you violate any rule, probably they may just violate the account because you have violated the rule, but your money is there. You are always gonna get your money. Okay, so as soon as you request for a payout, you're always gonna get your money. And second, challenge fee is really cheap. As you can see, I literally just bought a 100k account for like 366, which is insane. All right, and then the payout is within 3 days, 3 business days. For me, my last payout got processed in 2 days, which is also massive. And I think that's like pretty much it. Then let me come back to the account I've been trading. Okay, I want to show you guys something. That account, I thought I lost it, and I think it's because I thought I lost, that's why I bought another 50k account, and then eventually I forgot I even bought a 50k account, and then I pretty much lost because of maximum trading. I haven't traded the account, and then they disabled it. So when I come here, and as you can see, this is the account I have. Total reward 9,800, and this is within 3 payouts. As you can see here, within 3 payouts. And I started trading the account from 16 September. So 16 October, that's 1 month. 16 November, that's 2nd month, and 16 December, that's 3rd month. So yeah, that makes sense. And then from there, as you can see here, I got my account. I made $2,600 payout, and I waited for my payout. So the way I work is pretty simple. When I trade the account, any profit I make, as soon as I'm in profit, I just wait for a payout. Because I have multiple accounts I can trade, I do not want to lose like my profit that I've made. I don't know if that makes sense. If you lose $1,000 profit you've made on an account, you literally lost real $1,000. Okay, I always tell you guys that. So I made profit, I waited for a payout, my payout got processed, and then I traded. My second payout was actually the biggest payout I had with FundingPips, was because it was a $6,600 payout, and I was even on the FundingPips leaderboard. I was it 4th or 5th? I don't remember. I think I was 4th on the leaderboard. I even made a video out. Make sure you go and check it out. So that was the second payout I got. I made $6,000. I waited for a payout. They processed my payout, and when they processed my payout, that's when things start getting dark. I started trading. I went through losses, until my account went to 45,490. It's like I lost 9% on the account. I was literally 1% away from losing the account, and I don't know how I did it. And eventually I took a trade. I made profit from being down 9%. I took one trade and I made back all the losses, plus I made $500 profit, which is like 1%. And from that 1% I made, I eventually just waited for a payout. I do not want to, because I was so traumatized thinking that I'm gonna lose my account. And as soon as I made payout, or as soon as I made profit, I'm like, nah, let me just stop, and then let me just get my payout. And I waited for my payout, and I got it here, and now my account is reset back to 50k. I don't know if I'm gonna be trading tomorrow. Maybe I may trade tomorrow. I may make some money. Who knows? Or I may just wait for New Year and then trade again. But anyway, let's see. Okay, let's see what tomorrow has for me, because that's the last trading day of 2024. And one thing is, I traded today. I even have this sell I wanted to take, but market is already closed. So I took a sell today. I did not want to trade today, but I came in, I got a setup, I took it anyway. So this is on my FundingPips account. Okay, I have about 3 payout with FundingPips, which is gonna come soon. So this is one of my FundingPips account, as you can see here. And this was the trade I've taken. Okay, I've taken the sell here, and then this was my TP, and eventually price hit my TP, and now I'm waiting for a payout. So if I zoom in, you can see it's the exact same setup I've taken here. And every single setup I take is the same thing. You always want to see some sort of a liquidity gap to the downside. You want to see a break of structure. But in this case, your price did not break structure to the downside. But like, okay, if price did not break structure, but price creates liquidity. Eventually price gonna come and take the liquidity. So price came and took the liquidity, and that was where I had the sell, and my sell was there. Like when price started selling and I click my sell, and that's how I made that money. So I'm done trading for this year. I made 10,000, almost 10,000 in payout with FundingPips. I made 10,000 or almost 10,000 in payout with FundingNext as well. So both combined is already 20k in payout. So I'm now really hyped for 2025, and I hope you guys the best as well. Happy New Year, right? Happy New Year. Hope you guys the best, and let's see how much we can make in 2025. If you are not yet profitable, make sure you check the link below this video. You join my mentorship. I'm going to teach you exactly how to replicate my success. So that's pretty much it. And if you like this sort of content, that's pretty much it. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys on the next video.